Slow motion can make videos feel more cinematic, emotional, and professional when used correctly. It's commonly used in sports videos, travel edits, music videos, gaming montages, and cinematic filmmaking. But if slow motion is done incorrectly, the footage can look choppy or unnatural. The good news is that Adobe Premiere Pro includes powerful tools for creating smooth slow motion effects. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to make smooth slow motion in Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and import the footage you want to slow down. For the smoothest results, slow motion works best with high frame rate footage like 60 FPS, 120 FPS, or higher. Now drag the footage onto the timeline to create a sequence. To slow down the footage, right-click the clip and choose speed and duration. Now play back the clip and check if the movement looks smooth and natural. And that's your full guide on how to make smooth slow motion in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create smoother and more cinematic slow motion effects using Premiere Pro.